Welcome to our hands-on of a Type 7 COMe-Express module. Today we're taking a look on a COMe-bDV7 from Kontron. Let's take a look on some basic stuff. We got DDR4 with 4 times on the board, on the module. We can put inside up to 128 GB. Also we got here Intel Atom C3808, which got 12 cores, and also this module is designed for industrial temperature, minus 40 degrees Celsius up to 85 degrees Celsius. Let's take a look on the industrial temperature. We prepared a system with minus 28 degrees and we are now booting the system. And now we see our system is running, and that at an environment temperature of minus 28 degrees Celsius. We prepared for the COMe module COMe evaluation carrier type 7. We built the module on it with 4 times 32 GB RAM with a total of 128 GB. We have also prepared an optical fiber through FFP+, and now we're connecting a Cooper one through SFP+, so we have built 4 times 10 gigabits here. We prepared a Windows 10 on our test system, and let's take a look on the CPU. We got the C3808, and we can see here the 12 cores, and also we got 128 GB RAM DDR4 inside, and that's for the system. Let's moving on to the iPerf test. Right now we have running here an iPerf 3 test, which is quite interesting because this module got 4 times 10 gigabits per second, which you can run with VMware. So try this module by yourself. Thank you for watching.